practice in a simulated environment before you even think about trading, if you're going to trade, that is, of course. And you need to research and learn the fundamentals of the markets, especially the various asset classes, any correlations. It's always going to help you to understand what's going on within those particular markets. Study technical analysis to help you with identifying trends, and really practice and practice and practice until you feel extremely confident that you have understood how the markets function. Practice where to enter a position, practice where to exit those positions, so it helps you to get your timing right, and also where to place your stop losses, so you start to create that discipline that's essential if you want longevity in trading. And these are just the beginning, these are just the first steps towards creating a trading